Well, looking back, guys. So today we're gonna be doing an Animal Crossing New Horizons fireworks show. As you can see, I was playing on a different TV because this island has more data on it, so I have a better island to show off stuff. I think I also might be like revealing the dream address for the sounds for the heck of it, so we'll see about that. Oh yeah, like I see Eugene. Alright, so let's do this thing. Let's get the ball rolling. Hold on. How about just turn down, I guess, a tad bit? There we go. There's a special recipe wing free if we can get the house image the highest rating. Oh, okay. I don't even care about these tips. I already know how to play this game. I'm actually good at decorating this game. Alright. Oh, yeah, like I see Bluebear, Tabby, Curlos, O'Hare, Tank, and Eugene. I see Marina too. Wait, is Piper home? I need to check something. Huh, Piper's home. So how do you say about Canal Sound? I really wish she'd come outside, but unfortunately he's home. Like, I really want to see her, like, clapping on the canal. Though I got a better view, but unfortunately he's home, so I guess we'll just deal with that. I was actually off screen earlier because I time traveled like about 6 months. So I at least want to get the villagers. Where are you done? So we're back. Luckily, let's start all the villagers. Oh, like O'Hare. Oh wait a minute. Oh, they don't talk about the fireworks. Oh, yeah, again. Oh no, now they're talking about it, huh? I've got a day tonight with a big fireworks show. Yeah. See what Isabel needs. Oh no, once the fireworks come off, I've got a good idea. Wait a minute. Sub. Sub. Of course I say this. Baby, this is my first Animal Crossing fireworks show episode, so I'm typing in subscribe. So once the fireworks go off, I think she'll get ready. Wait a minute, oh, what, nothing. Oh yeah, so not until the fireworks. But then I knew that she'd like give you a flower bopper. You know what, while we're waiting, which I think we're about 9 minutes early, so probably if we get some bells and before like the scorpions come out. Or tarantulas. Because for some reason, I'm in the wrong hemisphere on the sound, so pardon me for that. What 1 to 7 p.m. Well, it's a ball rolling. I mean, my pockets are. How much miles do I have? Oh yeah, I only have 1,040. I only have 1,240 miles, so not much. But at least we can do some pocket stuff. I mean, once the fireworks show starts, we're immediately in the plaza, but I actually just want to get some bells in before the big show starts, so we can do that. Wait, my pocket's full now. Oh no, not. Got a giant clam. Yeah, giant clams are the best with the shells. Then you have another sea snail. I really love seeing the night. But because usually I don't play at night because I'm just afraid of the scorpions/tarantulas coming out. But I mean, it's still possible for them to show up during the fireworks show. That's why I was scared of playing at night. But at least we're playing at night now. I really want to show this. How about you go to a shop real quick? Okay, excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, excuse me, cat. Excuse me, koala. Okay. Let's do some stuff before the fireworks show starts. Okay, I know. Yeah, I hate when I have to tell you. Now we have a policy of non-discriminatory of something. I'm sure you understand. Yeah, that really pains the butt out of me because I already know what to do. How much bills do we get? 1,036. Wait, then what's this? I know I don't have enough money, but yeah, it's a video camera. No thanks. Well, it's 13,000 bells. That's not the highest, but I don't have enough bells. I don't want them to yell at me. Well, let's see what kinds of walls and stuff they have today. I mean, what nothing. Do you want to see the house I did? Well, I mean, like I said, I don't have all the house and home expansions yet, but and like I said, I time travel and I didn't play it in 6 months technically, so you're just gonna have to deal with the cockroaches. Yeah, I actually had a Zen house, but there was completely no reason for that. Okay, here comes I don't think villagers can visit while you have. Okay, I'm shocked. I don't know if villagers can visit while there's a fireworks show going on, and then they just they're like that better not than a cockroach, yeah. Okay, we got another one. The workroom. Yeah, so that's a workroom. Although I barely give any vision of it. This is like the living room, the main room. Or what the heck, this is den/kitchen. Now, like I said, I'm the true for Animal Crossing, so I just bet there's gonna be a little trouble in my house, but I don't think much. You got a lot of ammo storage too, yeah. Alright, let's see what else this has to offer. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be revealing the dream address. Let's go to this room. Heck, while we have time, I think we might as well get rid of the cockroaches. So this is this is another kind of workroom. I think this is boxing room. But I know that the cardboard boxes in your home gives you lots of points, especially the little pens you get. Okay, let's go in there again. Yeah, but I think that takes 2 room to go in before I can get all the cockroaches in one specific room, so you may want to do that. Yep, there's another cockroach. Come on, cockroach. Yeah, there we go. So that was a wardroom. That was a workroom. This is a den. Like I said, I'm in the basement yet, so pardon me. Alright, so do you want to see what this room is? This room is a bedroom. Like I got a juicy Apple TV. Yeah, look at that. Got a mirror. Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff in here, and we got a painting. You know, I might as well get a cockroach as soon as possible. I just don't want like a villager coming in and saying, "What?" Yeah. Hurry up. Okay, pardon me. I know that's not me, but actually I'm a weird Animal Crossing player, so pardon me. Alright, let's go. Get rid of that. Okay. How many minutes do we have? Okay. And you want to see what the last room is I have right now? This is a game room. A Lakitus cloud, an ABD, photos of Wilbur and Lottie, a poster of Jack, even though it's not Halloween yet. A lot of cool stuff. Got Mario items like a mushroom, a 1-up, a fire flower, and a star. I'm sure Nightcare's going to be doing the victory pose that we got rid of all the cockroaches after we get rid of this one, so luckily we're almost done. Come on. There we go. Yep, and I'm all good now. Oh, good. All the pesky cockroaches were gone. I feel so much better now. Yep, indeed. Okay, now I only have 2 minutes, so I think we're just gonna, go in there. At least we occupy some time. Alright. It looks like everybody else. Blueberry the Peppy Bear Cub. She's gonna talk about the fireworks. Kick an elevator. Okay, let's talk to Leaf Rhino. Tank. I actually had Tank on several rounds, so it's getting kind of boring, but he's okay. Well, one of my favorite villagers. Okay, well, okay, that's an ugly villager. I don't like Tabby, so we're not talking to her. I'm too scared to talk to any other villagers because they're never just staying still now. And that means I'm staying still too. Come on, 7 o'clock. Yeah. Usually we have summer fireworks, but there's some winter fireworks. And that means oh, here it comes. Let's see. I see Tank clapping, Bluebird's clapping, others encouraging, and the rest of the two are clapping. I can see in the plaza. Okay, let's see some reactions I have. Wait, when is it gonna do this subscribe? I don't know if it's doing it yet, but let's at least like I guess be enjoy. But wait, what happened? Why did he do that? You didn't do a surprise reaction? I never saw him do that during a fireworks show. Is there like a scorpion out here? I hope there isn't. I mean, like, where's my work? I don't know where my unsubscribe is. Wait a minute. Let's go here. I don't know if I can see it, but... I mean, I really can't see the letters, so... I hope that they're able to be seen. Wait. Yeah, I don't know if I can see them or not. Like, I didn't see that gold firework. And then the gold fireworks mean, like, I don't know what the heck this is, but... And either way, subscribe to, both channels. Oh, I see it now. An S. What did I see? I see it. BS. Now let's see. I get okay. That's I. Although I wasn't able to see it. Another B. And wait a minute. Oh, that's a B part of me. And then I think the E should be coming up. Yep, I see the E now. Encouraging the other reaction, yup. Yeah, and again, like a red little toothy smile. Although he doesn't have one. I don't see what the other two are doing. Where's Marina? Yeah, some of them got in their plaza, like Marine's just by her house. And same thing, Al's home, so... No, Al's outside. And Carlos. I really wish Piper wasn't home. Like, I really want to see her, like, doing the canal thing. But, oh, you know what we're going to do next? Alright, so I don't have an L and a K, so we're just going to add those. Alright, fill all. Do the complete white. Okay, let's just do the L. And then the K. Because I'm sure you can still enter the letters you already used. Hopefully, or I'm going to have to create more letters, but I think you get to use it multiple times. So then you just have the K. I mean, that K was perfect, but yeah. Alright, let's try to Isabel once again. Oh yeah, the bopper. The star bopper. A bull popper. Oh, that's what it's called. I'm gonna wear it. Let's see how I look. Yeah, look at me. I'm gonna post as Tabby. Even though I don't like her, but this is hilarious. Wait, she's not looking at me? I guess we can just might as well just do that. There we go. As we got a little photo done. Where the heck goes Owl? Excuse me, guys. I say Owl. Oh, yeah, but even when it's unsilent like gorillas, you can see their little bottoms. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that disgusting? But I guess I'll work. Oh, yeah, let's talk to, excuse me, Tank, and her. Let's talk to, Isabel once again. I got another one. Or now we're changing it up. Wait, okay. Change. L. Change. Okay, there's I. A new K. And the E. And now we're removing all the others. Alright, so it should be coming any minute. I mean, it takes like about, I think when we see those silver fireworks, I think those mean they're going to pop up. Oh yeah, let's see what Red has to offer. Welcome, you're 2 steps away from Red's raffle. Fabulous prize, every ticket's a winner. Oh, I know how to do this. During fireworks shows, he's nice, like, he gives you out good goodies. I don't know what you do, so I guess you just grab a ticket. I'm in, let's see what it does. Okay, what is it? It's week number 16. That'll give you some cotton candy. Oh my gosh, I want cotton candy, but I realize this is fake. This is cursed. Oh, look at O'Hare. Hey, well, let's do one more, then, I'm done with you for right now. Okay, now I got number 10. Okay, now I got a yellow balloon, and that's all. Oh, wait, did I miss the fireworks? Sorry. Hey, well, I need to see. Wait, where's the fireworks? Oh my gosh, I swear I missed it. I wish I did it right away. That way I wouldn't be so nervous. I wish flowers wouldn't go by the town hall. That's so annoying. What the heck is it? I wish she did it right away, but I don't think she does. I mean, don't they do a continued and repeat pattern of it once it pops up? I think they did with the subscribe. Come on. Well, I don't know what those gold fireworks are. Are those a letters? Oh my god, I hope I didn't miss it. Gosh, I'm sorry. Darn, where is it? Did I miss it? No. Sorry about keeping it. Wait, those are still fireworks. I see it. Wait, is that the K? Oh yeah, but I missed but I missed one of them. But luckily I later got to see some, so like I said, like. I can't even post on the bulletin board, yeah. I'm not trying to beg you, but that's really my good day. You know that. Subscribe. I'm only gonna post like too. It's gonna be in the blue. Thumbs up. I love that so much. We're taking snapshots of them. Wait a minute. I was going again? Doing it again. Like I think I might be uploading this video on both channels. Like I guess like the gaming channel can be strictly gaming, and this channel can be all sort of stuff. Yeah, I think I'm gonna upload on both channels. So remember that. And like I said, the gaming is only for a gaming period. But I mean, this channel gets mixed up like history and all that. Okay. Yeah, so. And well, we're gonna go home because. Oh yeah, I think this has a membership. Hold on a minute. I can think we might even customize the house. I'm not really a fan of the exterior. It sounds dumb. You know what? I don't think it really looks dumb. Alright, let's go to the sleeping room. The bedroom, or what the heck ever it is. Let's take a nap. There goes me during the fireworks. I'm missing out on the fun. Guys, just see the loading screen. In my fireworks costume. Yeah, I already know who this person is. Beware of spoilers, but it's Luna. It's Luna the standalone anteater. Good guess. Remember your dreams. I also can do it. I want to share a dream. I know all this. For this album. Yeah. I'm ready. Hopefully the internet works. I think it does. I saw what the little gyroid has. Like little gyroid. Yeah, like, just look at the little smoke is doing. Alright, what am I doing now? We're gonna name the internet again. Like, what the heck is that? The little aura or see some flowers around it. Saving do not touch a sleep mode button. Alright, let's see what it is. Okay. So I'll just read it, I also put this in the description, but I'll just read it while in the video. 7575-3282-1292. I mean, I can actually refresh it, but as you can see right now. Yes, please do. Connecting to the internet again. Okay, I gotta wake up. I'm kind of see how the fireworks look on the canal, so I just want to see it right. That's all the blue and everything, but I'm still gonna see. I'm gonna now get out of here. I gotta get out of the house, home. I can't really see, well, you know what? I have to get more bells. I kind of want to go enable sisters, but I don't have, the whole variety of bells, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna get bells. I really wish Papa wasn't home. I really want to see her, like, clapping on the canal. Too bad. I wonder where they are. I think we might use all of them, but... Oh, I know. How about I use a vaulting pole? You know what? I don't want my pocket to be disturbed, so I'm just gonna, Oh, I can't eat it? When does it hold it? I can't eat it, it's fake. Well, I might as well sell that stupid thing. And, yeah, like, I guess it's fake. I mean, like, I wish you could eat it. That'd be much more interesting than just that blow up, but unfortunately can't eat it. And look at the little, wait. Yeah, look at the little moon. I mean, you can only see it a bit, but it's cool, though. I want to just get to see what, bells we get. Gosh, I wish I could do this, but unfortunately I do. Yeah, every once in a while I'll update the island every once in a while. So let us sell what we have. I'm gonna see what they have able scissors today, and then I think we'll see how the fireworks are going now, and then I think we're gonna wrap it up. Yeah, guys, all that stupid cotton candy thud. My lord. Okay, let's see how much money we got. Only 2,000 again, but I was gonna sit with our able sisters for a moment. Oh, okay, let's get in. I mean, look at this. How am I get the kabuki actor thing? 2,400 bells. I can afford it. How much is school hood? I don't have enough money. Oh, 1,400. I don't think I have enough money, but I'm still gonna check and then we'll get more money. And I kind of want 3D. Oh yeah, I want the beer too. My lord. And then have the little flip flops. Yeah, I'm not getting the flip flops. I think I might get the boots. Yeah, so lots to get. And I think I might get the relating too, but I think we'll at least get more money and then we'll get stuff. And then I think we're gonna wrap it up for sure. I mean, do the canal fireworks. Let's see how the canal looks first. Oh, I gotta go the other way. It always stumps me because see, I decorated it. I think in the future I'm gonna add more villager homes to it. So I'll update it for that. You know what, while I'm here, I'm gonna put the kabuki actor on. Oh yeah, I really do like it. I do want to see what the canal looks like. I mean, it's not finished, of course, but as it tells right now, I got an oil barrel. I got an oil barrel. I just need some signposts and a surfboard. And then I got some hedges. I think I'm building a bridge for me for that. Got some vertical board fences. More hedges. More vertical board fences. Even more hedges. Even more vertical board fences. Yeah, the flowers look kind of cool, I guess. I just want to show you the canal. For as if it stands right now. Oh yeah, and look at the campsite drew the belt. Isn't it fantastic? Got a little campsite sign, the mushrooms, the bit of the campsite. I got round street lights, and also garden rock, flower bed, bushes, some fences, a tractor, a zen bridge, even more mushrooms on a cliff. Isn't it fantastic? I'm gonna take a picture of it. Yeah. You know what? How about if we get do this? Yeah, let's let you, okay? Let's take a picture of that. And that. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? I think this is one of the best dogs I've had yet. Oh, come on, Gorilla's in my way. Excuse me, Gorilla. Dude! I've never been really stumped by that. Great Gorilla. Can't. Oh, come on. But we're gonna save that. Okay, oh, is he moving? Okay, there we go. Thank you, Gorilla. Plus, he's one of the ugliest villagers, so he deserves some punishment. Let's see what other shells they have on the beach lying around right now. Don't know a calorie, good. Giant clam. Let's see what this is. Grandma's embroidery. Hey, you know what? I'm about to get full on pockets again, so I'll just pick up all the materials later. Well, I guess once the video ends. So, pardon me for that. I'll clean it up before, I wrap up this video. And we're also gonna place down the balloon. We'll see how it works. Another giant plant, that's awesome. A message bottle. Oh, okay, yeah, please be recipe I know, because I do not want to, lay up stuff. Okay, let's read this. You found it, you found it. I found a recipe in an old actual book I didn't know I still had. That dog's gotta be real mad by now. I put the recipe in the bottle so someone else can make it too. Sure recipes, folks. Yeah, I love Spork. Yeah, I actually had him on my house and I adored him. Great game which we already know. But don't worry, I'll pick up the thud later. Wait a minute. Oh, you know what? I can just carry it then. Yeah, that message bottle is funny. The Lady Villagers was goofiest, without doubt. Excuse me. Going to next granny. Oh yeah, let's sell the molds again because there's nothing I can do with it. And the mountain brewery too. I guess that kind of stinks. And the shellpound recipe. And then we'll just pick up the stuff that. I can just pick it up after we go in the table so they're gonna see what they have. Yeah, I think I'll do some Alan decorating off screen. I mean once the video ends, but everything's okay. Okay. Hey there. Yeah. I think let's get her hey what no. I won't say what other variants I have. Sorry, Mabel. Like see that one's blue, it says 210. Green's my favorite color, like mint green, so how about we get the green? Yeah, 765. Yeah, the yellow one says 654. Purple says 432. The blue one I just viewed has 210 once again. 960 for the light blue, 321. Yeah, like yeah, like all these. It's actually cool that the numbers change depending on which one you get. The purple's 432. The dark blue is 210. The light blue one is 321. The green one is 755. The yellow one is 654. The red is 876. The black is 543, and the light one's 97. Wait a minute, where are the glasses I was wanting? Oh yeah, and the beer too. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna get it. And then we're just gonna pick up the oh yeah, I look like a grown up now. Let's just pick up the stuff and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, well, let's pick up this side. Well then, I think we're gonna wrap it up for tonight. Well then, bye guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channels. I'm gonna do the bye bye.